Hey guys, my name's Seth Fenby and this is an inspection by video. What I have here is a Mustang 940 skid steer loader. We're going to look at the major components. Okay, here we have the serial number plate. It's kind of hard to read it on here. But the serial number is 3449891. The hour meter is reading 6,584 hours. The left front tire is a size 10-16.5 NHS 10-ply tire. The tread on this tire is it's about gone, maybe 10% life left. Same size, it's a 10-16.5 NHS, and the tread on this tire is gone as well, less than 10% life left. This is the left rear tire. Then we have the right front tire. This is a heavy duty tire. The size is 10-16.5 NHS, and the tread on this one is maybe 25% life left. The right rear tire is a heavy duty tire as well, 10-16.5 NHS. So it's a tubeless tire. Tread on this one's probably 60% life left. Next we have the bucket, the loader linkage. It seems to be in pretty good condition. It looks like there's a little bit of hydraulic oil leaking here out of this, out of the auxiliary port. But the rest of the loader linkage looks to be in good condition. The back of the bucket is rusted some and cracked here, as you can see. Going around to the front of the bucket's in pretty good condition. The cutting edge is pretty nice. The bucket is operational and is intact on around to the right side here. The sheet metal is in pretty good condition. The paint is scratched off and some of the decals are scratched off. As you can see here, this is the original paint. This is the rear engine door. Here we have up underneath. One around to the right hand side. We have the ROPS. The loader arms and everything. We are inside the cab. The seat has a couple tears in it. The seat's in pretty good condition. Have the T-bar here for controlling and foot controls for the loader linkage. Here we have the key switch, the fuel gauge, hour meter, and the lock there for the loader. Okay guys, this machine, it starts up, it runs and operates. It is an older unit, does have some wear and tear. But if you have any questions, just look in the description down there. You can give me a phone call or text, email, whatever. Send me a message, and if you have any questions, just do that. Thanks a lot, have a great day.